آل عمران کہا اور زندان کہا یہ بہن قید ہوئی تو نہ آیا غازی جب ردا سر سے چھینی میں صدا دیتی رہی تو نہ آیا غازی کیا کہوں شعر میرے بے ردا ہم کو لیے یہ مسلمان سارے شیر سر شیر گئے کلکتے کوفہ کبھی کلکتے شام کبھی اور یہاں ہم پہ ہنسی تو نہ آیا غازی جب ردا سر سے چھینی میں صدا دیتی رہی تو نہ آیا غازی کتنی بے بس تھی بہن اے شہنشاہ وفا نام لے لے کے میرا جب یہ ظالم نے کہا ناز تھا جس پہ تجھے اب بلاؤ نہ اسے اور میں روتی رہی.
I didn't have too much worry or fear, I wouldn't say, but it was just standing there in front of the panel and having the ability to recite well and not messing up on my lines or anything that I've got anything wrong.
Sajad, you know who recited this Noha, right?
Yeah.
Do you know who?
Mir Hassan.
Mir Hassan.
Yes.
Do you notice when he starts the initial note, how deep the sound comes out from? You have to be very, Urdu में कहते हैं पक्का नोट लगाओ शुरू में.
जी.
आगे जाके आपके सुर हिल रहे हैं. Basically, the notes, the scale kept changing. I couldn't follow it.
Okay.
Some of your pronunciation wasn't right either. Let me give you an example. जब रिदा सर से छिनी मैं सदा देती रही तू ना आया गाजी. The last line, it's important you give your emotions in there. तू ना आया गाजी. And sustain the notes so the audience can feel it. You know, give us some time to feel your voice. I appreciate you coming out today, mashallah. You did well.
Thank you so much.
I hope you all the best.
My biggest inspiration is Mir Hassan and also Mesum Abbas, mainly because of how much they've given to Noha Khans and putting Nohas out there.
We all may have the gift of being able to publicly perform. There's only a few who speak from the heart, and what is from the heart reaches the heart. And I really believe that your passion was amazing. Really, I could see you close your eyes at a certain moment, and I look for that. That, you know, does he remember Kerbalā? Is he thinking about that moment? Well done. Well done. It was a good effort. Well done.
Thank you so much.
Ahsantum Sayyidina. Thank you so much. Mullah Nazar, I want to ask you a specific question, especially around stage presence. Could you give us some input around how do you think he played the stage?
Okay. First of all, thank you.
Unless you want to give your feedback as well, first and foremost.
Inshallah,
But
inshallah. No, I will give all in one.
Yeah.
Thank you very much, Sajad, Mohammed. Yeah. When you see a farmer harvesting, you know that one day he was cultivating.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
You know that one day he was planting, and you know that the the most difficult work is cultivating or planting.
Yeah.
Harvesting is very easy. Yeah.
Mullah Nazar, he's done some analogies of cultivation, the farm, into teaching people how to recite, but subhanAllah, how you can use different analogies. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has provided a platform for us to understand.
I believe that you are in cultivating.
Thank you.
I believe that. So you need to work on yourself. I'm very honest.
Definitely.
Yeah.
No,
You have wavering in your sound and tuneless. But with practice, you can clear that.
definitely.
That's the things which with practice will be clear.
Yeah.
Maybe something else like quality of sound, difficult to change it because that's something from God.
Yeah.
But wavering, tuneless, with practice will be very nice, very clear.
Thank you.
Good
Thank
luck.
you very much.
Good luck.
Ahsant, Mullah Nazar. And lastly, said Jalal, please.
Okay, first of all, with regard to Mullah Nazar, the quality of voice. When we say the quality of voice, we have different things. Like, for example, we have a strength of voice, we have dimension of voice, we have many other factors. Mullah Nazar, some of them, of course, the voice already is a gift of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, but some of them with practice, we can sort it. For example, dimension.
Yeah.
When you start from lower pitch, you can increase the dimension of your voice. You didn't start from the lower pitch. I appreciate your presence here, but you didn't start from the proper pitch,
Yeah.
and you were out of the tone as well. And the main problem is, because this know-how, as our colleague mentioned, it's very famous.
Yeah, it is,
Why you
yeah.
didn't memorize this? Come and recite it, relax.
Yeah.
So when you have mobile, you have too much your actually concentration on your mobile. So
yes.
memorize it and then recite it, relax, and contact with the audience.
Yeah.
And that is it, inshallah. I wish all the best for you. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Ahsantum, please, ladies and gentlemen, please help me in thanking Sajad Mohammed. Thank you so much for your time. Thank you.